Understanding inequality symbols, the role of infinity. Imagine trying to list all the numbers greater than 3. It's impossible because they go on forever. That's where the idea of infinity helps us understand inequalities better. Inequality symbols like less than, greater than, less than or equal to, and greater than or equal to are used to compare numbers. They tell us whether one number is smaller, larger, or possibly equal to another. When the numbers go on endlessly in one direction, we use infinity to show that the range never ends. Infinity is a symbol, which looks like a sideways 8. It doesn't behave like a regular number. Instead, it shows that something continues forever. For example, when we write greater than 3, it means all numbers bigger than 3. But since these numbers go on forever, we write this as x greater than 3 and say the solutions extend to infinity. In interval notation, this is written as open parenthesis 3, infinity. The open parenthesis means 3 is not included, and the infinity symbol shows the range continues endlessly to the right. On the other hand, if we have x less than or equal to -1, the solutions include all numbers less than or equal to -1. These go on forever in the negative direction. We write this as negative infinity to -1 with a closed circle at -1 to show it's included. The interval looks like negative infinity to -1 with a closed bracket at -1. When you graph these inequalities on a number line, you use circles to show whether the endpoint is included or not. A filled circle means the endpoint is part of the solution, like with less than or greater than or equal to. An open circle shows the endpoint is not included, like with less than or greater than. The arrow points toward infinity to show the solutions go on forever in that direction. Infinity also helps us understand how inequalities behave when we do calculations. Adding or multiplying infinity by a positive number keeps it infinity. But multiplying by a negative number flips the inequality sign because the direction reverses. These rules help us analyze how functions behave as values grow very large or very small. In summary, infinity is a key part of understanding inequalities because it shows that the solution set is unbounded and extends endlessly. It helps us communicate ranges that go on forever, both visually on a number line and in written form. This makes grasping the idea of infinite solutions much clearer and easier to work with in algebra.